You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this condition. How do you say it correctly? The pronunciation of, in British English, it is said as schizophrenia. Yes, you want to stress on that free syllable, the third syllable. In American English, however, it is said as schizophrenia, schizophrenia, or schizophrenia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.